Hello, welcome to my distance learning education program on how to create a Google Classroom. I'm going to start by using my Clayton County email in Google Drive to show you how I create a Google Classroom for my students to use and how they are able to join the classroom and how you can add a lot of documents and different things in order to collaborate within the classroom. So I started here with my Clayton account, which is my teacher classroom and teacher email. So I will start off by going to Google Classroom, which is here, or you may go to Google Drive. So I will start here with Google Drive. I will click on Google Drive, then I'll wait on it to come up. Once it load, if you go up here to the what we call waffle cone, it says Google Apps. And it has about 3, 6, 9 circles. And it looks like an array, as most of the students will be familiar with it if you say the array. If you click on Google Apps, you will see down here where it says Google Classroom. And you will click on Google Classroom. If you wanted to create a Google Classroom, you'll hit here the plus sign where it says create or join a class. I will click here because I'm showing you how to create a class, and I will create a class. Here you will put in a class name, and I will put S. Alexander's class. You can put the section here if you would like, and the subject. If you're like me and teach all subjects, you'll just put all, and the room number. For this case, I will leave it blank and I will just click create. Just waiting on the classroom to create. Once the classroom is created, it will pop up as you can see here. It says you can invite students to your class. Here is where you're going to get some info tabs that pops up because you just created a class. I say, got it. So in order for students to join the class, it gives you a class code, which is here. And you can make this class code bigger for when students are going to log in to the Google Classroom and join the class, which I will show you how to do. Then here is the stream, but you can go here to say something to the class. And I'm going to just write a message that says, hello class, and welcome to a great year. And then if you notice here, you can add a document through attachments through your Google Drive. You can add a video, or you can embed an object there. You can cancel the post, or you can just post it. And as you can see, it joins the class. So when students log on, they will see my message. You can also change the theme or upload a photo. So if you want to change the theme, you can select the theme and say your class is math and science or English, language arts. You can scroll through and find different themes for the class. I'm going to choose math and select this theme, and then it changes the theme of the classroom and the color. If you go here, you have classwork. You can create assignments, quiz assignments, questions, material, reuse a post, or just put a topic. Once your students have joined, you'll see you as the teacher. You can add a teacher if you want to collaborate with a gifted teacher or ESOL teacher or EIP teacher. And then once your students have joined, they will come down here. You can also have grades within here as well. Next, I'm going to show you how students will join the class. You'll go back the same way, and they will hit Google Drive. It will pop up. They'll go to the waffle cone so that they may go to Google Classroom here. And then they will be able to see the class. As you notice, it has the theme that we changed there. They will go up here to where it says join class. Click on join class, and it says ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. And the class code, like I said, was right here. You just pull it up if you have a smart board and make it really big for the students to see. You can write it on the board if you need to, or you can have little handouts to give to the students that you will actually create and have the code already on it. And once the students join through the code, it's quick and easy. They will see the same message that they see here. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and create your Google Classroom for the best collaboration tool there is. It's a very great way to communicate with your class as well.